Usapang portable party speakers tayo mga tol. This is the Wow Audio Jive. It's a 2.1 speaker system. I believe that this might be the only speaker system that you would need ever. Pero bago ang lahat, pasadahan natin yung kanyang specs. For functions, it includes auxiliary in, meron siyang dalawang microphone, Bluetooth mode, USB, SD cards, FM, at meron siyang true wireless stereo or TWS mode, which means you can pair two of this so you can have a left and right system running with the same source. Meron din siyang 4 na color changing LED modes at ang maximum power output nito ay 55 watts at ang kanyang range is from 90 Hz to 20 kHz. It uses the USB Type-C port for power delivery, which means pwede mo siyang i-charge using a cell phone charger or a power bank. It has a 5,400 milliamp hour battery. It takes around 5 to 6 hours to fully charge, and ang total runtime niya is 6.5 hours with the LED on, up to 10 hours with the LED off. And guys, this is IPX4 splash resistant. It comes with two 1.5-inch tweeters and one 8-inch subwoofer, and the total weight of this entire package is 4 kilograms. Ngayon, lahat ng controls niya nasa taas, pati yung I/O ports, which can be covered with a silicone plug. Meron siyang LED display to indicate the status of the speakers. I find it to be user-friendly, and this is clearly made to be played outdoors. It comes with IPX4 water resistance, which means pwede mo siyang gamitin sa may pool, wag mo lang siya ilulublob, at pwede mo rin siyang gamitin kahit umuulan at hindi ka mag-aalala na masisira ito. So ganito yung experience guys. At volume level 10, ramdam mo na yung bass. Okay? Yung mga ganito kalayo. At volume level 15, medyo dumadagundong na talaga siya. Yung saktong tugs-tugs na kahit papaano malakas at comfortable at hindi nakakaumay. Ngayon, pag totodo mo siya all the way up to 32 guys, yumayanig na hanggang dun sa kabilang kwarto. Kahit na 90 Hz yung minimum niya according to the specs, 25 Hz, nararamdaman ko na yung kanyang bass, nagva-vibrate na yan. The drivers of the Jive are quite powerful at hindi mo siya basta-basta mababasag. Okay? Buong buo. For the sound quality that you're getting from the Jive, you have a 2.1 speaker system with beefy bass that you can use almost anywhere. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa kitchen, sa bahay as your FM radio or music player. You can use it for gaming as desktop speakers. You can use it with your home theater system. Pwede mo siyang gamitin pag nanonood ka ng movies or series sa iyong phone. Pwede mo siyang gamitin as a PA system when you're hosting events. You can use it kung tumutugtog ka. Pwede mo siyang dalhin kung pupunta kayo ng outing, maliligo kayo sa swimming or sa beach as your video case speaker. And na-discover namin nung ginagawa namin yung battery life test, pwede rin pala siya as your car speaker or as speakers for your bike or e-bike.